The V-Smart and V-Auto vinyl cutters from am.co.za are equipped with a USB input, and that means that you can conveniently cut jobs directly from the USB. Just be aware, however, that it must be a FAT32 USB. And what does that mean? Well, locate the USB on the computer, right-click and click on Format. Under File System, you will find a few options. Make sure to select FAT32. If it is not FAT32, the machine won't be able to read the USB. If, as in this case, it is FAT32 by default, press close and continue using it. But if it is not, first save the contents of the USB to a folder on the desktop, because formatting will delete everything from the USB permanently. Okay, so you've done that. Now, make sure that it's FAT32 and then press Start, and your USB will be formatted as a FAT32. That means you can continue cutting directly from the USB. If at this stage the machine still can't read the USB, it is most likely that the USB is faulty. Well, try another one and follow the same procedures. And remember, you can always call technical support for assistance regarding any technical issue.